Greetings of the day. Today, we are going to discuss why name screening is helpful in fighting money laundering and terrorist financing. But before that, let's start with the basics and understand what name screening is. Name screening is the exercise of matching a list containing names of customers, suppliers, or business partners against the sanction lists, watch lists, or databases issued by regulatory authorities of various countries or international organizations. Name screening can be carried out either using software, APIs, automated screening tools, or manually searching names across sanction lists. Name screening helps in combating money laundering, terrorism financing, and proliferation financing of weapons of mass destruction by screening the names of customers across various sanctions lists to identify if any of their names come up in the sanctions list to ensure regulatory compliance. These sanctions lists contain names of individuals and entities responsible for various criminal activities, and screening customer names across such lists helps in weeding out the customers who may be involved with financial crimes for which their names have been included in the sanctions list. In the context of UAE laws and regulations for combating ML/FT and PF, the businesses operating in the UAE are required to consider the following lists: UAE Local Terrorist List, UNSC Consolidated List, other relevant lists as per the geographies they operate in. The next question that arises is whose names should be screened across the given sanction lists. The names that are required to be screened across given sanction lists are those of prospective and existing customers who can be legal or natural persons, suppliers or business partners, the directors, ultimate beneficial owners, authorized signatories, and representatives of legal entities the business is involved with. In case of a minor as a customer, supplier or business partner, their parents or legal guardian. After identifying which lists to screen names against and whose names to be screened, the next part deals with when to conduct name screening. Name screening must be carried out prior to onboarding a new customer and while continuing a business relationship. Customers also need to be rescreened when their KYC information changes or gets updated. Sanctions are restrictive measures taken by countries to prevent the entry of sanctioned individuals or entities into their financial systems. Sanctioned individuals or entities are usually linked with the crime of money laundering, financing of terrorism, or funding of nuclear weapons. Here is a list of some popular sanctions lists: UAE Local Terrorist List, UNSC Consolidated List, the European Union List, the UKHM Treasury List, the United States of America's Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, List. Name screening is an unavoidable requirement for anti-money laundering compliance in the UAE. It fulfills an essential part of the customer due diligence and customer risk assessment process, where the customer is assigned risk based on the risk it poses to the business. Businesses can rely on AML software like RapidAML to ensure TFS compliance. Hope this video helps you understand the concept of name screening for AML compliance. Thank you.